Speed traps in California are illegal. If you think you've been caught in a speed trap, challenge it. Officers in California are prohibited from issuing citations using speed traps. If a speed trap was used, the vehicle's speed cannot be used against you, eliminating any evidence. This applies to direct evidence as well as circumstantial evidence. So what's a speed trap, and how do I know if an officer used one against me? A speed trap is defined by a section in the highway that's calculated by the time it takes the vehicle to travel between the 2 points. A speed limit is calculated on the roadway due to the traffic and engineering survey that was previously conducted. Now, these engineering surveys must be up to date and conducted in the last 5 years. When a speed limit is determined, it must be within 80 percentile of the traffic and engineering survey, which dictates what a safe speed is based upon the circumstances of the roadway. A speed trap can also be defined as a team of officers using multiple devices to calculate your speed. If you are issued a citation, you want to make sure the actual officer that issued the citation was the one that captured or calculated your speed. Common methods used in a speed trap are radar and LiDAR. There are slight variations in the two detection methods, and LiDAR tends to be a little more accurate. You also want to pay attention to the distance in which the officer allegedly captured your speed. Anything over 500 feet can be problematic from an accuracy standpoint. If there was other vehicles in your general vicinity traveling at a higher rate of speed, it can also affect the reading of the radar or LiDAR device. Your car being dirty, clear line of sight, or other vehicles are major hindrances to the accuracy of these devices. When issued a citation in a speed trap, most drivers want to see the actual radar or LiDAR reading. This is a traffic ticket myth. At the point of being issued a citation on the side of the roadway, the officer does not need to show the device or the speed accused against the driver. Now, when challenged at trial, the officer will need to conclusively prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the speed was accurate and prove the calibration of the radar or LiDAR device. There are 3 ways to prove that the officer did not accurately capture your speed. 1, if the device was not calibrated correctly. 2, if the officer was not trained to use the device correctly. Or 3, the officer inaccurately judged the target vehicle and assumed that you were traveling that speed. If you received a speeding ticket as a result of a speed trap, stay tuned for our next video on ways to challenge it.